Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. It's me, Shabina. And in today's video, I'm gonna do the 10 minutes makeup challenge. And in this challenge, we are supposed to get full glam on within 10 minutes, including eyelashes, including lipstick, eyeshadow, a blush on, everything. So yes, without any ado, let's get started. And guys, for glam up look I at least need 15 to 20 minutes, but as it is a 10 minutes video, let's see how I do it. I'm very excited about this video, guys, and I'm getting goosebumps. I don't know what would happen, but let's see. I think I'm talking a lot. I should start my video now. Let me have some black coffee first. I need energy. Alright guys, so I have literally kept my every makeup opened in front of me, and now I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. Alright guys, so I have already moisturized my face, but let me moisturize it once again so that it keeps hydrating. Done with my moisturizer now. And now I'm going to use this MAC primer. Alright, no problem. I can do it. See, I just took one pump of it. I can't show you guys everything. Alright, so I don't know how I should make this video. Should I talk through or not? But it's okay. See, I'm just priming my face very nicely. Okay, so now moving on to foundation. I'm going to use stick foundation. Stick foundation is quick and more blendable, I guess. And I'm using this Inglot brush. Guys, I do conceal my eyes and everything, but first I blend foundation all over my face. Quickly, I can't talk. I have to finish it within 10 minutes. Alright. Blending takes a lot of time, man. You know what? I have just made my channel, like recently I have made my channel. It's not even 2 months and I'm doing this video. How daring I am. I hope it turns out to be a good video. Alright, so I think blending is getting over. I have blended enough. Now I will pack it with powder. I can do it. Yes, Shabina, you can do this. This is easy for me. I don't think so. I think this blending is only taking a lot of time. Blending is must, girls, because it is going to give you a beautiful effect. I have 9 minutes to go. This is not easy. So now I'm going to use this LA Pro Girl concealer. I'm forgetting the names also. So I won't take so much. I will just take a bit. Come out. And concealer brush. Alright. It's all blended now. Very nice. I'm happy. Little more on upper eyelid. Okay. This LA Pro Girl concealer is damn good, man. Not going to do cream contouring today. I will do a powder contouring. So let's
see. Contouring? Yeah. So I'm going for this
Wet and Wild contouring because this is one of the best one. I just love doing contouring with this. This is very warm on the face. I mean, you can see it. Now I'm going to contour my nose. Oh god, 3 minutes, more than 3 minutes. Always know your brush should be so good for contouring. Now a little bit on forehead. Now dust off the extra. Now moving on to eyes, I think I'm going for this one, the blushed nudes, Maybelline New York, and I'm choosing the puke shade.
Alright, so
Oh god, I'm taking so much time.
I'm getting late. I'm so nervous.
And when I get nervous, I do all sort of actions. Yep. Oh. Blend, fast. Alright. Shabby, I'm going so shabby. No worries, I have to finish it off quickly. Now same shadow on the lower lid. Oh my god. Now I'm going to use different eyeshadow from this shade is from this Lancome in the shade all over
Whatever.
Girls, for smoky eyes, never worry, because if you don't have the same shadow also, you can just put the darker shade on the lighter one. That's it. And you can see my half thing is done. Alright, so moving on eyeliner, I think I can go for this Chamber Smooth On eyeliner, and I love eyeliner, guys. It's not necessarily all have to apply it. You guys can apply, some other sort of thing. I'm making it little winged, but it gives so good look. As I'm done with eyeliner, I can go for mascara quickly. I'm thinking to put lashes on my eyes. Let me see the time. What's the time? Oh my god, I'm not so late. I can do it. Alright, so for lashes, I'm going to take this Naked 3006 lashes. And let me tell you guys, I'm very fast putting lashes. I have habit of putting lashes. I love putting lashes in general also. So yep. As I have a long nails now, it may cause some problem. Can you see the difference now? I told you I'm fast at putting lashes. Let me see the time. Alright, so it's like 4. Girls, you don't have to get scared of putting lashes. It's so easy, trust me. You just have to put it like this like so smoothly, and it will fall at place, and then you can just dab it in. That's it. So let me do quickly my brows time, and let me quickly draw my brows. Like, it's easy for me. I don't do much to my brows. I think I should use Oh God, what I'm doing? Haste make waste.
Calm down, you still have some minutes.
With you, come on, you can do it. Nothing left now, only brows and blush and lipstick. You're done. Alright.
Alright, it is also getting done.
I think I'm looking good in. Now what is left? My eyeshadow, blush on, what I'm saying. Alright, so blush on, I think for blush, I'm going for this Love Tint from Benefit because I don't have much time and I can just use it, like it saves my time. See how fast I am doing. This is really good. Alright. What's the time? Alright, so my blush is done now. Lipstick. For lipstick, I'm using this MAC Soar lip liner. This is the wrong shade. I don't want this. My God. And this lipstick is from MAC in the shade Twig. So alright guys, I'm done. Let me see the time. Done, no? Yep. See, 26 seconds are still left. Oh my God, I'm so good. I'm proud of myself. Alright, so let me make my hair quickly. I need brush, but hair is not included. It's okay. Alright, time is up. Alright guys, so yes, I know time is up. Oh my God, so this is my final look, and I think I could have gone with my face spray, what I always do, my mist, but it's okay, I can do it right now if you guys don't mind. I mean, my makeup is already done, I have nothing to do extra, but I'm just doing it for you guys so that it makes your look very complete. Alright, so yes, this is my final look and I'm just loving it. I'm becoming so excited because I can see my makeup is really looking good in 10 minutes only. And as you guys can see, I have spent a lot of time blending eyes, and it's little shabby, but it's fine, it's not that shabby also. And I hope I have done a good tutorial, and yes, it was fun filming it and I literally loved it, and I hope you guys will like it too. And I will see you guys in my next videos. And if you like my video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, because I put a lot of hard work in my videos and I need subscribers who supports me, who love me, who is always on my back. That's it. And yes guys, so till then, bye bye, tata, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.